In this video, we will show you how to integrate with Google. Start by navigating to Settings and Integrations. Here you will see a list of available and existing integrations within your system. Go ahead and click on Connect to connect your location's Google account. You'll be taken to a Google sign-in and it will ask you to connect with Lead Connector. You'll have the chance to review what will be shared and go ahead and click Allow for these permissions. Then you'll see a window that says which business do you want to link to this location. Go ahead and make sure you have the correct business connected, and then you can save and close. Now, back on the Settings page, under Settings and Integrations, you'll see that there is a Google account connected. There will be a green box that says Connected with an exclamation mark to let you know that you're all set. Congratulations, you've now integrated with Google.